We have Deo Shankar Tripathi, MT and CEO at AHFL, joining us on the show. Welcome to the show, Mr. Tripathi. To start off with, firstly, what has been the entire journey with regards to where Aadhar Housing Finance is concerned and the mission with regards to this brand?
Aadhar Housing Finance was established in 2011 and we are now close to 7.5 years. Last year we had another group company, DHFL Vaishya. So Aadhar Housing Finance merged in DHFL Vaishya and we changed the name to Aadhar Housing Finance. Now telling you that Aadhar Housing Finance precisely focused on the low income segment in the country. And we always believe that the low income segment who have no access to the mainstream housing finance company or to the banks, they need most help. And that was the basic theme of Aadhar Housing Finance. Our whole mission is to bring awareness all across the country about the importance of owning a home. Correct. That was the whole focus of my brand awareness. We do at a local level this awareness drive. We do at the conditional level awareness drive, so that it should completely in sync with what the Prime Minister Housing for All scheme is talking about. That scheme is actually the game changer.
Correct. The scheme that the Prime Minister is providing is going to be a game changer as well. You are providing financing to customers with monthly income between 5,000 to 50,000 and above as well. Now, if you could just help us understand, if we have to look at the company from here on, what is the vision? Where do you see the company going?
The vision of the company is very clear: to provide home ownership to all Indians. That is the vision of the company. We provide loan to the people who are having a monthly income of from 5,000 rupees to 50,000. 6 lakh rupees is the actually annual income which PMOI has set for the low income segment and EWS. So we cover, this is our larger market.
Right.
Our 84% individual home loans are there. Ticket size, if I can tell you, it is 8 lakhs rupees only, average ticket size for my entire home loans. And we want to see that we cover the larger locations of the country. As on date, we are having around 310 branches all across the country, operating in 19 states and 1 union territory. And from these branches, we are covering 2,000 locations.
Right.
Going forward, the number of branches may not be increased too much, but non-physical presence by having a digital intervention, that is now my customers are also coming to this segment. Plus, we are having the mobile sales managers visit in the various locations.
Right.
Instead of having full-fledged branch, we will try to see that my people keeps on visiting, so that every 40-50 kilometer location in the country, there should be one sales manager of Aadhar visiting the location and bringing the files.
Right. So currently, what is the size of the company in terms of AUM as well? And going ahead, are we seeing a trend where the financing is more taken by self-development rather than, for buying flats which are of a smaller scale?
Even if you see today, 61% of the home loan requirement or 61% of the home loan supply in the low income segment comes from the self-construction. People buy a small piece of land and they construct the house. And rest 39% or 38% comes from the builder supply. Builder supply, if you take the small and very small and informal builders are supplying this, out of 38%, 90% supply. Hardly about 1 or 2% supply comes from larger builders.
Right.
And about 6-7% comes from the mid-sized builders. The entire country, the apartment culture has not spread too much. That's why self-construction is taking place. So we, even our, you asked me, even our loan book every month, which we are booking the loans, around 52% goes to the self-construction only.
Right. So self-construction is something which is ruling right now as well. And very lastly, overall, if you have to talk about Aadhar Home Finance, it's one of the top 3, companies with regards to where affordable housing is concerned as well. Now, where do you see the brand moving from here on, and where do you see your, what will be the growth drivers?
Growth driver, we cater to all segments. Maybe the low income salaried people, because the big income salaried people, they have access to the all mainstream companies. Those low income salaried people, informal segment, which is 65% urban population engaged in informal segment. The informal segment, then small business, those who are not having the income proof, we cater to all across the segment. That is one. Our loan book, you ask, it is 9,000 crore is the AUM as on this month, and we expect it to cross 35,000 crore by 2022. That is what our vision is. Today we have 1,25,000 customers with us, and we see that we should cross at least 6 lakhs customers by 2022. That is what our vision. Ticket size we would like to maintain from 8 to 10 lakhs depending on some inflation addition and all that.
Correct.
We have no desire to go to the higher segment, which otherwise is catered by many companies.